Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Today, I'm here to wish a very happy 50th birthday to fellow YouTube creator and hot pepper enthusiast, Peter Stanley. In every hobby, you'll always find special people who are not only incredibly knowledgeable, but also friendly, welcoming, and happy to share their extensive knowledge with others. In the hot pepper community, Peter is one such person. Although we've never met in person, I consider Peter to be a good friend. I've learned so much from him, and I was very honored when his wife Andi asked if I could help put together a video where many of his pepper peeps could express their thanks, admiration, and birthday wishes. Let me tell you a little more about Peter, and then I'll let his family and friends do the talking. Let's get started. Peter Stanley grew up in eastern North Carolina, then attended college at Western Carolina University, where he earned a Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration with focus in computer information systems. Peter and his wife Andi have 2 children, Pearson 18 and Casey 20. Andi tells me that Peter has always had a taste for capsaicin. He started growing his own hot peppers after purchasing a box of pods, then planting the seeds. Soon, pepper plants were growing in their basement, kitchen, and all around the yard. I was looking through Peter's video uploads on YouTube. They go back to 2006, and the first several years of videos are mostly about model rocketry and sometimes Legos. But on July 4th, 2014, there was an abrupt change in direction. Peter released his first hot pepper video, the classic Garden Pepper Update 7/4/14. YouTube history was made. Let's take a look.
This is my little fenced-in garden. Has a lot of peppers, and these are doing the best of any I've got. Let's start with these. That one and that one are reapers. This is a 7-pot primo. Another 7-pot primo. It's got a little baby pod on it somewhere down here. I saw it earlier today.
Wow, these plants look great. Peter, if this was your first crop, you started strong. Since that day 7 years ago, Peter has released hundreds of videos about many different topics revolving around indoor and outdoor gardening, reviewing pods and sauces, DIY projects, sauce making, grow light reviews, and much more. He's a master of hydroponics, growing monster-sized pepper plants outdoors in 60-gallon barrels. And he's always available to his friends and fans to offer advice and encouragement. Happy birthday, Peter. I'm proud to call you my friend. There are a lot of other people who have recorded video birthday greetings for you. So, without further ado, let's roll the clips. We'll start with friends from the hot pepper and gardening world, then personal friends and family.
Hey Peter, Kingstar here. Just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, PepperDactyl. Stay spicy, my friend.
Happy birthday, Peter. One of the most knowledgeable growers, yet humble, down to earth. We love you for that. Peter, to you on your birthday, cheers. Many more.
Happy birthday, Peter. Thank you for all of the things that you do for Pepper Lovers community. I'm wishing you nothing but the best. More power to you and your YouTube channel. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Hey, Peter. Just want to take a minute to wish you a happy birthday. Appreciate everything you do for the pepper community and what you've done for me personally. Again, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day.
Yo, Peter Stanley, happy birthday from Farmer Jay. Much love, brother. Have a great day.
Hey, Peter, how's it going, man? This is Gage up in Washington State. Somebody told me you're having a birthday. Well, happy birthday, man. Hope it goes great. Also wanted to say thanks for your YouTube channel, for all the awesome DIY content. I've learned a ton by watching your stuff.
Aloha, Peter. Just want to say thank you and much mahalos for all the advice and help throughout the years. Wishing you the best on your birthday. Have a good one, my friend.
Hi, this is Garden State Gardener. I just want to say happy birthday to Peter Stanley. You're a guru to the hot pepper community. Thank you for helping so many people out. You are amazing. Hope you have a happy birthday. God bless. Take care.
What's up, everybody? Goham here. Just got on to wish Peter Stanley a happy birthday. Keep doing what you're doing. You inspire all of us. Happy birthday, brother.
Hey, Jayrseyshore here. Happy birthday, Peter Stanley. Have a good one, brother.
Hey, Peter. Just wanted to say I feel very honored to be asked to acknowledge your special day. So happy birthday to you, buddy. I think you know this, but you've been a great inspiration to me.
What's up, Peter? It's Jesse, a.k.a. PepperDude. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday from all of us at PLC Reddit and PLC Discord. Eat something spicy.
Hello, Peter. Jim Farrell. Hey, I just want to wish you a happy 21st birthday. I just want to say happy birthday and thanks for all you do for the community. And
Hi, Peter. Jim Kingman here. Just wanted to wish you the happiest 50th birthday. I really just want to also mention that I really appreciate what you do for the community. Wish you all the best. Here's to another 50. You have a great one, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Peter Stanley from Jimmy Pickles Product Line LLC.
Hey, Peter, it's Matt Garver in Indiana. Wishing you the very best of birthdays and appreciate having an amazing friend like you.
Hey, what's up? Wanted to just give a shout out. Happy birthday, Peter Stanley, all right? I hope you're having a good one. Have a happy Pepper Day.
Hey, Peter. This is Russ Walker here, a.k.a. Scoville Underground. Wishing you a happy birthday, man. Hope you have a great one and many more to come.
Hey, Peter. Happy birthday. In the last 20 years, we've known each other and been great colleagues, but not just great colleagues. You've been one of my dearest friends. We've been through a lot together, and I'm wishing you the happiest of birthdays and many happy returns.
Hi, Peter. Happy 50th.
Happy birthday, Peter. Looking forward to many more trips with abandoned airplanes and hot peppers.
Happy 50th birthday. You are so wonderful, and I appreciate all you do.
Happy 50th birthday. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. I'm so thankful for you. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday.
So, happy birthday, Peter.
We love you.
We love you. We're thinking about you.
And we wish that we could be with you.
We wish we could be with you.
Love you, love you. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.
Of course, no birthday celebration would be complete without singing the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Peter Stanley. You're an inspiration. Hope you're enjoying your special day and many happy returns. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.